Let's create AI fitness app using Python and machine learning. We import Flask for the web framework, NumPy for numerical operations, and RandomForestRegressor as our machine learning model to predict calorie burn. This initializes the Flask application, so we can define routes and handle HTTP requests. We set a random seed for reproducibility, then generate 1000 random training samples with 4 features: age, weight, heart rate, and duration. We scale each feature column into realistic human ranges: age 20 to 60, weight 50 to 110 kg, heart rate 90 to 160 BPM, and workout duration 10 to 90 minutes. We generate synthetic calorie burn labels using a standard fitness formula that combines age, weight, and heart rate, then scales the result by workout duration. We create a random forest model with 100 decision trees and train it on our synthetic dataset so it learns to predict calories burned from user inputs. This route serves the homepage, rendering the HTML form where users can enter their workout details. This route handles form submissions. It accepts post requests containing the user's workout data and returns a calorie prediction. We extract the 4 input values from the submitted form and convert them to floats for use in the model. We package the user's inputs into a NumPy array matching the model's expected shape, then run a prediction to get the estimated calories burned. We clamp the result to 0 or above to prevent returning negative calorie values from any extreme edge case inputs. We re-render the homepage, passing back the rounded calorie prediction and the original input values so the user can see their results alongside what they entered. If any input cannot be passed or an error occurs, we catch it and display a friendly error message to the user instead of crashing. This starts the Flask development server in debug mode, enabling live reloading and detailed error messages during development. Now here is our index.html, where I have designed the all-user interface. If you want it, then you can simply message me on our Discord server.